The one last class relationship we are going to study is association. As I explained you, association means that two classes have some relation, but it is not inheritance, not aggregation or composition, not dependency, but they are related. So it's called a general relationship. None of the above is the case. So that's association. So here is the explanation for that. Association is a general binary. Binary means a two between two classes. A binary relationship that describes an activity between two classes. But if this activity is inheritance, aggregation, composition, or dependency, we call for that as a relationship. But other than that, we say association. For example, a student taking a course is association because the relationship or activities take, which is not the ones we have studied. And then the faculty member teaches a course. Here activities teach, which is not inheritance, aggregation, composition, or dependency. Then we have association between faculty and course. For example, this is the activity. A student may take any number of courses, and then faculty member teaches at most three courses. And a course may have from 5 to 60 students, and is taught only by one faculty member. And then in general relationship, association, or other relationships we have identified so far, if you can specify the number of objects for the class, then here is the notation. If it has any number of course objects, means star is there, and then at the most 3 means 0, 1 to 3. So we have a dot dot, two dots, and then specify range. And then from 5 to 60, 5 dot dot 60 is the notation, and only by 1 was 1 is there. And the solid line is association between two classes. So we have a student class and course class. Solid line is there, and then arrow is optional. Arrow should be just a line arrow, not a triangle, just a line arrow. When the activity has a direction, so student takes a course, so we have association activity direction from student in the course, and then the activity name is put as a label of the arrow, and above the line we give activity take, and then on each class side how many objects are possible, that is specified. Student may take any number of courses. That's the description. So students can take any number of courses. There we put star because any number of unlimited number is specified. But as to the course, can have only 5 to 60 students. So course can have only 5 dot dot 60 students. Next description is course may have course is taught by only one faculty. So faculty teaches, association and activities teach, direction is from faculty to course. So faculty can teach at the most three courses, 0 dot dot 3. So faculty can teach 0 dot dot 3 courses, but only one faculty is assigned to course, only one is there. So that's a UML diagram for association general relationship. And there is under the below the line we can have a role if that is applicable. So faculty and course teaching, the faculty's role is a teacher, then role is below the arrow. Above the arrow is activity name, teach or take. Remember that. So that is a UML diagram for association. Each class may have a role name to describe the role. Then the role is below the line. So multiplicity, star means unlimited, and the range you can specify, and the range is inclusive. So when you have identified association like between class, course, and faculty, then what the source code will look like. In source code, and the related ones, associated ones will appear as instance member for student class, course will appear as an instance member, and then students can have an unlimited number of courses. So you will have a array or array list for that. Course and student and the faculty are related. So student and the faculty will appear as instance member of a course class. And the course in the course, you can have 5 through 60 students. So student should be array or array list, but faculty, only one single faculty is assigned, so single variable is okay. For faculty class is associated with the course, so course should appear as instance member, and then faculty can teach 0 through 3, so we expect the course as an array or array list.